The iPhone 18 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's most ambitious smartphone ever, centering on a massive 6.9-inch LTPO plus OLED display that aims for a near borderless aesthetic by utilizing under-display Face ID technology to hide the infrared sensors. This shift allows the dynamic island to shrink by approximately 35%, potentially leaving only a singular, tiny punch hole for the selfie camera, which some rumors suggest might even move to the top left corner for a cinematic look. Under the hood, the device will be powered by the revolutionary A20 Pro Chip, Apple's first processor built on TSMC's cutting-edge 2-nanometer fabrication process, offering a 25% boost in speed and a 40% improvement in energy efficiency compared to previous generations. This chip is expected to use advanced WLCM packaging to integrate high-speed RAM directly into the processor package, significantly enhancing thermal management and on-device AI performance for iOS 20. Photography enthusiasts will be most excited by the rumored inclusion of a physical variable aperture on the 48-megapixel main camera, allowing the lens to mechanically adjust between f.14 and f.50 to provide true optical bokeh and superior light control. Furthermore, the telephoto system is expected to receive a teleconverter boost, pushing optical zoom to 10x while maintaining crisp image quality through a new specialized glass coating that reduces lens flare. Connectivity will see a major overhaul with the debut of Apple's in-house C2 5G modem, designed to optimize battery life and support 5G over satellite through partnerships like Starlink for emergency communications in remote areas. The physical design may introduce a one-tone rear glass finish, where the camera plateau and back glass are sculpted from a single piece of aerospace-grade material, creating a seamless and durable transition. Battery life is also seeing a breakthrough, with high-density silicon anode cells, pushing capacity toward 5,400 mAh, which, combined with the 2-nanometer chip, could finally deliver true 2-day endurance for power users. Charging is expected to hit 45W via USB-C and 25W through upgraded MagSafe, while the storage options will likely expand to include a 2TB tier to accommodate massive 8K 60fps ProRes video files. The camera control button is also rumored to be redesigned as a solid-state, pressure-sensitive button 2.0, removing physical movement to achieve an IP69 water resistance rating. Finally, new colorways like deep burgundy, coffee brown, and a redesigned metallic purple are expected to replace the traditional titanium shades, giving the 2026 flagship a distinct visual identity in the premium market.